To begin, let's head to Settings and Products, where we'll find the ability to create and manage sessions. To create a session, click Create New Product and choose Offering with Sessions. You can think of the Offering with Sessions like a folder of sessions. Once the offering is created, you'll be able to begin creating individual sessions and adding time slots. In our example, this organization has an event on a Monday with a morning and afternoon session. Each session can only have 10 people, so we'll want to add a quota to ensure that no more than 10 people can register for each session. Let's label our Offering with Sessions Monday Event. You can organize these how you see fit when creating your own. Let's add a price of $50 to ensure each session that we create is 50. If you're in a family or group system, be sure to make this a subunit or child product. Click Create and Set Up Sessions to begin creating individual sessions. When creating your first session, the calendar to select your dates will automatically pop up. You'll want to select a start and end date here. Since this event is on a Monday only, we'll pick the same day for each. We'll want to deselect the days of the week that aren't a part of this session here. Once this is done, click Add Time Options to determine the time for this session. We'll set up a morning session from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. To change the times, click on the times beneath Monday to adjust the 5 p.m. to 12 p.m. The system will ask if you'd like to apply this to all of the days of the week. Since there's only one day here, either option works. You'll see that the price copied over from our initial offering settings. Now, you can head to the Options tab to set your quota. Scroll down to Quota Options. In our case, the morning slot can have a maximum of 10 people, so we'll enter 10 for our quota. You can also enable a wait list if desired. Click Update Product. To make our second session, we can copy the initial one to save all of the settings and make it easier to create. To copy this session, select it, scroll up, and click Copy Products. Once copied, hover over the newly created session and click Edit Session. Update the name of the session, if applicable, and update the time of the session as well. All other settings, like the date and quota, will remain the same. Now that we've got our sessions created, let's take a look at the front end to see what the time slots look like for your users. The front end shows the name of the product session holder, Monday event, as well as the individual session names we created, morning session and afternoon session. The date is shown as well as the day of the week and times. To view the users who have signed up for specific sessions or products,